Hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the video for 48/60 volt 1000 watt 16-inch hub motor, especially for Excel super kind of activities. You can use both the normal kind of Excel super and also heavy duty model of Excel super. We have hosted the full video in our YouTube channel. Kindly visit for the more details. For you can place your order in our online store also for this e-bike kind of kits. You can convert your old petrol vehicle to normal electrical vehicle. Both you can convert as a hybrid and as well as the fully electric. For the demo that we are providing the thing, if you want to see the full connection and everything, watch our video on our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.